Today at Gravity Mining, we're going to walk you through belt tensioning the drum drives. First thing we're going to do is to make sure we've disconnected and locked out and tagged out the machine. So naturally the machine falls with the drums on the inboard position. You can rotate the crankshaft and you can see that it naturally falls back to the inboard position, and we measure the belts when they are in that, when the belt tension when they are in that position. And Tree's going to put a straight edge in there so that we can actually see the edge of the movement, and we'll put it in there. You can just about see the movement there. He's holding it parallel to the belt, so you can see there's totally should be 15 millimeters of movement forwards and backwards on these belts. And that's why we run 3 instead of a single belt. Now we measure the belt tension with the crankshaft at rest with the drums in the inboard position. And if we look from here, you can see we're going to measure these, test them with the turn-in process. So we should be able to turn the belts 90 degrees without too much difficulty, which should be easy to do. The other way we can do it is we can put a straight edge against it, and you can see that there's roughly around about 10-15 millimeters of movement there, 15 millimeters, maybe a bit more. But we prefer just the twist and turn approach. It's the easiest way to test whether the belt tension is correct. Should the belts need tightening, it's a simple matter of looking at the motor mount now, and there's a swing bolt with a nut top and bottom of the plate. Just slacken that off, adjust the belts to required tension and tighten those back up. The shake drive belt is tensioned in much the same way. It's only a single belt on this because it doesn't have any axial movement, but you can see if we look down in the bottom here, and it's quite dark, so we'll have to reset the motor mount works the same way. The motor is mounted 90 degrees, so it tensions the other way, and there's again 2 nuts top and bottom on the swing bolt to adjust the tension. And if we look back in here, we can see Treve setting the tension there, and on this belt it's set much tighter, so all we're trying to do is tighten that and twist it 45 degrees, and that will give you an indication of the right tension. Anyway, that's all it is at Gravity Mining. That's how we set the belt tension.